Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change currency in KuCoin account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in kucoin.com and click on Enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, at the top navigation bar of the screen at the right hand side, you can see a USD button. Click on it. Now you can see various currency here. Select the currency you want to change to. After that, you can see that your currency has been changed. If you want to change back to USD, you can simply click on the same button here and change it as you like. So that is how you can change your currency in KuCoin account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.